Alright, let's see IEC block method for the motor connection. IEC mean Intentional Electrotechnical Connection. You can see very wonderful, very clear diagram here. You can see here U1, U2 coil, V1, V2 coil, W1, W2 coil. Those are three phase, right? U1, U2, V1, V2, W1, W2, 1, 2, 3, three phase. You can see here three phase coil. That's connection like this, right? One is a triangle, one is a Y shape, right? So you can see how it is connection U1, U2 here, U1, V2 here, and W1, W2 here. You can memorize how to draw it U1, U2, you see V1, V2 and W1, W2, and also that's the method has to memorize U1, W2, you see U1, W2, U2, V1, U2, V1, right? So then after that V2, W1, right? This is the method for the motor connection for the delta. Delta we call sometimes as a mesh connection, sometimes we call as a triangular connection, right? So in between that one you can memorize how to connect the three coil, right? This is a very practical YouTube channel. I will explain how to connect all those motors, all direct conlag method, star delta method, practical way how to connect the motor connection. You can see here U1, W2 together terminal connected, U2, V2 together we connected the terminal, V2, W1 together, then we can do the power supply for the delta. Then Y connection you can see, otherwise we call this the star connection, most commonly introduced as this is the star connection, right? You can see very simple U1, you can see here the three coil U1, V1, W1, right? Then U2, V2, W2 in between the all connected, then it is come as a Y connection, right? Otherwise we call it star connection. So U1, V1, W2, then give the power supply for the three phase power supply, right? So we will see about the how to practical connection in the motor inside the terminal. Well, you can see here ISA motor connection method for the delta connection. As earlier I explained how to is connected for the delta method and star connected. This is the very practical situation for the motor terminal inside. You can see here the L1, L2, L3 line, right? According to the color code, red, black, blue, right? So you can here see the three coil connected as a delta, same as it is, right? If you open the motor in a practical situation, you can see this is the copper plate like this terminal, 6 terminal, in between C like this 6 terminal connected, like no doubts that this is the delta method according to the IC motor connection method. That means International Electrotechnical Commission say that this coil has to mention U1, U2, V1, V2, W and W2, right? In this method this motor has to be connected, right, for the delta connection. This is the very practical motor inside terminal connection. You can see if you open this nut, you can see like a small plate like that, right? Why we need 3 plate like this, right? So if you want to connect the other way around, also we can take out the plate and we can connect the Y connection method. This is the delta connection method, right? You can see here how to connect the red line U1, W2, right? So another one V1, U2, another one phase line W1, W2, right? This is the connection. You can see open the terminal whenever you see the motor, you can see get the idea how it is connection the delta method. If you want to connect the other method, you have to take out this 3 copper plate, then you have to put like a in between that one W2, U2, V2 like that. So then we can give the power supply. I will show how to do that again, that how to terminal connection and afterwards. Right, this is the ISA motor star connection method. You can see the motor inside a very practical way. As I told earlier, this is a practical YouTube channel. You can see the coil, right? In the coil you can see here U1, right? V1 W1, right? In between U2 V2, in between that three coil are connected, right? Star point, it is called Y connection, right? You can see here U2 V2 W2 connected, right? A very simple way you can connect the star method, right? Then inside the terminal box you have to connect it. You have to as I mentioned earlier, we have the three plate, right? In this way connected, right? It is coming the star method for the as introduced by IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, right? This color code red, black, right? Blue, right? But I want to give one advice. Whenever open the motor, you have to mark the terminal and all while you are take out the motor outside, maybe for the repairing or maybe for the bearing changing, right? But before that, make sure all power cut off. That means log out, tag out. You have to follow the strictly procedure, company procedure, and according to that you have to follow the very safety code in your company or anywhere while you are doing the electrical work. As electrician, as electrical engineer, you must know how to do the maintenance work and all for the motors, right? And I will show you how to do the mega testing, and I will show you how to connect the motor for the PLC connection, and how to control line, how to control diagram, so on in my YouTube channel. Furthermore, I will explain lot of detail, practical detail for you, and in the future I will think you will connect it for my YouTube channel and give me subscribe for my channel. Thank you very much.